Beyond rote memorization, the power of doing. Remember cramming for tests, only to forget everything a week later? Traditional tests often focus on rote memorization. But what about applying knowledge in realistic situations? Imagine a musician learning scales but never playing a song, or a chef memorizing recipes but never cooking a meal. True learning comes alive when we. Performance assessments bridge this gap between knowledge and application. They require students to their understanding through real-world tasks, mirroring the complexities of life beyond the classroom. What are performance assessments? Performance assessments are authentic tasks that require students to apply their knowledge, skills, and critical thinking abilities to solve problems, create products, or perform in real-world contexts. These assessments move beyond traditional multiple-choice tests. They ask students to through projects, performances, and other hands-on activities. These assessments emphasize the process of learning as much as the final product. They provide valuable insights into a student's abilities and areas for growth. Real-world applications, from portfolios to presentations. Performance assessments take many forms, each offering a unique opportunity for students to shine. Portfolios allow students to showcase their best work over time. Imagine a writing portfolio demonstrating growth in crafting compelling narratives. Presentations challenge students to communicate ideas effectively. Picture a student confidently explaining their science experiment findings. Research projects foster in-depth exploration of a topic. Imagine a student passionately presenting their historical investigation. Role-playing develops crucial skills like empathy and problem-solving. Envision students simulating a debate on a current event, analyzing different perspectives. These are just a few examples of how performance assessments bring learning to life. Advantages of performance assessments: deeper learning and engagement. Performance assessments offer numerous advantages over traditional testing methods. Real-world relevance. By mimicking real-life situations, these assessments make learning meaningful and engaging. Students are more likely to remember and apply knowledge when they see its practical value. Critical thinking. Analyzing information, solving problems, and making decisions are essential skills for success. Performance assessments challenge students to think critically and creatively. Confidence building. The opportunity to demonstrate learning through doing builds confidence. Students develop a sense of ownership over their work and pride in their accomplishments. By tapping into these advantages, we can create a more engaging and effective learning experience. Designing effective performance assessments. Clear expectations and feedback. Crafting successful performance assessments requires thoughtful planning and design. Clear expectations. Students need to understand the task's purpose, criteria for success, and how they will be assessed. Rubrics provide a clear framework for evaluation. Meaningful tasks. Choose activities that are relevant to students' lives and interests. Connect assessments to real-world issues and challenges to spark engagement. Constructive feedback. Provide specific and timely feedback that focuses on both strengths and areas for improvement. Guide students toward deeper understanding and mastery. Effective performance assessments are carefully structured to support and challenge learners. Reflecting on authentic learning experiences. As educators and learners, we should constantly seek ways to make education more meaningful and engaging. Performance assessments offer a powerful tool for achieving this goal. By shifting our focus from rote memorization to real-world application, we can cultivate deeper understanding, critical thinking, and a love for lifelong learning. Think about your own educational experiences. What activities truly resonated with you? How can we incorporate those principles of authentic learning into our classrooms? Let's embrace the power of performance assessments to unlock the full potential of every learner. Let's discuss, which alternative assessment do you prefer? Why? Drop your comments in the comments section. Thank you for viewing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, at Digital Education Zone, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.